This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Now let us talk about the different methods with the help of which you can export or publish your form. You have to just click the send option and you will find different options called emailing this form to a person, or just you can just get a link of this form in order to share. You can also use this iframe in order to embed it on your blog or website. You can use this option called shorten URL in order to shorten the URL of the form. And not only that, you can include this form within the email, which means that the user can fill this form right from the email. Here you will find another option called add collaborators, which I will be telling you after a while.